Good morning, everyone. On behalf of the great-grandchildren, I will read the tribute. Our great-grandmother was of extraordinary grace and strength, whose life story continues to inspire all who know her. She lived through times of great change and challenges, yet she remained a beacon of resilience and kindness. Her wisdom, gathered over a century, was a guiding light to our family. Maito had a remarkable ability to make everyone feel special. Her laughter was a melody of joy, her smile a warm embrace. She taught us the value of hard work, importance of family discipline, and the power of kind words. Being able to enjoy your presence was such a blessing. Your faith and unwavering spirit were a source of strength during difficult times, reminding us to hold on to hope and love. We are all going to miss you, but we will absolutely see you again, and for that, we are comforted and grateful. Maito, you fought a great fight and still made it this far. Enjoy Jesus' great grandma. We know you've been wanting to get to him for a while. Your time has come, and in his perfect time. We will immensely miss you, Maito. Rest to the angels.
Praise God. I have some words I would like to share. Our lives go on without you, but nothing is the same. We have to hide our heartache when someone speaks your name. Sad are the hearts that love you, silent are the tears that fall. Living without you is the hardest part of all. So your smile is gone forever, and your hand we cannot touch. Still we have so many memories of the one we loved so much. Our memory is our keepsake, with which we'll never part. God has you in his keeping, we have you in our hearts. It is said we should celebrate the life, not the end, for it was a life well lived. A life we shouldn't act like we are bereaved. So appreciate this moment. It is not tears that will give you comfort, it is the love of a family that will always support. Rest in peace, Maito.